Hello, this is Robert McMurray, and today let's talk about the new Nickelodeon series with slash Paramount Star Trek Prodigy. I just watched the pilot episode. It's 45 minutes long, so it's like technically the first two episodes. I like how they brought the whole crew together. I think the main mystery in this series will be where this Federation ship came from and why it was buried on this planet. Judging by how far buried it was, I'm assuming it takes place in the future, like close to like Discovery's future, or something like that, because it was fairly far buried, and yeah, and I'd be wondering also what happened to the original crew. So yeah, there's a lot of mysteries. We might get some details next week, because the last few seconds of this series introduce hologram Janeway, with, if you remember, Star Trek Voyager had Captain Catherine Janeway. This is basically her in hologram form. So she was connected into building the ship and everything. It's unsure if like we see any other holograms or from any other classic Star Trek cast members or characters. I would kind of hope so and everything. It'd be nice to see like a few Voyager related flashbacks. Try to get an idea where this planet and the ship is and how far it is from Federation space. One thing I'm thinking about is if you remember the current season of Discovery, where they talk about this burn that happened apparently in like 100 years before Discovery arrived into the future. I think this ship was lost right before or during this burn situation, which is why it might have been still buried and not recovered by the Federation. And who knows, maybe this series takes place, around the same time as the current seasons of Discovery, and who knows, maybe one day we might have some type of crossover or something. This other than hologram Janeway, there is no humans on this series, and which I find interesting, because if you look at all the other Star Trek series, even the other animated series, is mostly humans and everything. So, like I said, I'm hoping we get more answers. I will continue to watch it and everything, even though this series seemed to be geared more towards younger audience. It'd just be interesting to see where it goes from here. I'm a big sci-fi fan, and I'm basically excited to have yet another Star Trek series and everything. And sometime after this one, we're going to get the second season of Picard. We're going to get another season of Discovery and a bunch of other Star Trek related shows. Even the new one with Christopher Pike that's supposed to take place before the original series. So I'm just excited to see what's coming up around the corner, and and I'll try to do reviews from time to time on these different series, and keep you guys updated. Until next time, this is Robert McMurray, over and out.